fresh, crunchy, and wrapped to go. In a pan, sauté the ground turkey with garlic and light soy sauce until fully cooked and browned. Fill a shallow dish with warm water. Dip 1 rice paper sheet in the water for a few seconds until soft. Place the softened rice paper on a clean surface. Add an even layer of the cooked meat and vegetables on top. Fold to make small packages. Heat a skillet to medium-high and add olive oil and spray. Place the paper pockets and cook until golden at the bottom. Carefully flip the rice paper wrap and cook until the other side is golden and crispy. While the wraps are cooking, prepare the dipping sauce by mixing all the sauce ingredients in a small bowl. To serve, cut the wraps into bite-sized pieces and serve with the dipping sauce.